Hare Krishna. Welcome back to my channel, Easy Programming by Venugopal. In this video, I am going to explain how to check whether the given number is prime or composite. Let's start the program. So on the desktop, already I created a folder and I'm opening this folder in the VS Code. And let's create one new file. Let's create a name as prime.py. And we'll write the program title here. So what is our program? Program to check whether the given number is prime or composite. So first of all, what is prime number and what is composite number? Okay. So prime number means the number which is having the factors 2. The number which is having the factors 2. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, okay, and then 11. These are the prime numbers. If you take all these for all these numbers, factors are 2. For example, 2 factors are 1 and 2. 3 factors are 1 and 3. 5 factors are 1 and 5. Means basically all these prime numbers are having the factors 2, that is 1 and itself only. Okay, that is what actually prime number. And what about the composite number? Okay, so composite number means the numbers which are having the factors more than 2. More than 2. For example, 4, 6, 8, 12. So these are the composite numbers because these numbers are having the factors more than 2. Simply you can say the numbers which are not prime are called actually composite numbers. Okay. Now for this, let's write the program. See, the logic here is to check the prime number or composite number. So for the prime number here, we have to check what the factors. If the factors are 2, then that is what prime number. So in the previous videos, I explained to you how to count the factors of the given number. Okay. So if you did not watch that video link I given in the description box, or you can check top right I button is there. You can click on that. You can find this video also. First, you can watch that video and you can come back to this video so that you can understand very easily. Okay, right. So, and this program I will tell you in 2 methods. Okay, one is the step-by-step procedure, and one more is a little bit shortcut way also. Okay, let me start first method 1, that is a step-by-step procedure. Okay, that is what checking the given number is prime or composite. Okay, so first what we do, we'll take an input from the keyboard, n equal to input of enter the number. Then initially what I said here, we have to first count the number of factors. So that's why I'll take here factors initially 0. Let's count the factors first. So let's take here loop for I in range of. So actually what you to do to find the factors, we have to divide the given number from 1 to till that number n plus 1. Okay, then colon, press enter. Here indentation starts, and here the condition is if n modulus I equal to 0. Okay, means what you're doing, given number n, we are dividing with I. Each I values are from where to where? From 1 to n. Okay, and which I divide successfully the n, then at the time this condition will become true, and at the time we have to count the factors every time by 1. Okay, right, that's it. Then you can exit from this loop, and you can check if factors equal to 2. Sorry, equal to 2. If factors equal to 2, and if this condition is true, then we can print a given number is prime. That's it. And then else if the condition is false, it will come to the else block, and here you can print given number is composite. That's it. Okay, save it and we'll run this program. Python file name is prime.py. Enter the number, for example 2. Okay, enter. So given number is 5. Once again I'll enter the one more number 5. Okay, now given number is 5. Let's enter non-prime number, means composite number, for example 4. See, given number is composite. Okay, that's it. So like here, first here we are counting the number of factors. Then after counting the number of factors, then finally here we are checking the factors here. If this condition is true, if the factors are true, then that is what prime number. If the factors are not true, okay, not two, more than two, okay, then that is what composite number. If you are having the factors more than two, at the time this condition will become false, so that it will come to the else block and will display the given number is composite number. So this coding I explained in the previous session video. You can watch it and you can come back to this once again, as I said. Okay, this is a step-by-step procedure actually, but let's go a little bit shortcut way also. I'm going to explain another method. Method 2, little bit shortcut way. Okay, now let's take again input from keyboard, input of enter the number. Okay, enter the number. Then after entering number here, let's check here list comprehension for in range of 1 comma n plus 1, and here if the condition, if n modulus I equal to 0, then you can add that factor to the list here. Then here these are actually what factors. Okay, using the list comprehension. Okay, here we are finding the factors in shortcut way. Same, this one also like above only. Okay, here for loop, and here every time I value is extracted from the range, and we are dividing the n every time with I. If it is true, then that I value will be added to the list. Means simply the factors are going to add it to the list. If the condition is true only, will be added the I value. If the condition is false, the I value is a factor here. Okay, so if it is true, that is a factor for the n. If it is true, then only that I will be added to the list. Otherwise, that will not be added. Means simply finally in this list, finally you will be having the factors only. Okay, right. So after that, I am here finding the length of the factors. Means number of factors I am finding here. Okay, so here number of factors equal to like this. So here we'll get the number of factors. Then after that, we'll check if number of factors equal to 2. Okay, if it is true, then here I will print so given number is prime. If it is true means, then it is going to display given number is prime. If it is false, else print of given number is composite. That's it. Save and then run it. Let's enter 2. Given number is prime. Okay, because here we are finding the length also after counting the, after finding the factors. We are counting the factors here, and here we are checking the condition. Now number of factors are 2. 2 equal to is true. That's why prime number. Okay, in case suppose if you enter 4, this time see it's a composite because number of factors are more than 2. So this time condition is false. That's why it will come to else block and will display given number is composite. That's it. Okay, like it is a little bit shortcut way using second method. So if you want to take the Python or Python full stack courses with the live sessions, so you can contact us. Those contact details are given in the description box. And if you want if you want to learn these type of videos, these type of programs, and Python full stack courses, you can subscribe the channel, click on bell button, and like this video if you like this content, and share this video to your friends as well. Okay, and in the next video I'll come with another program. Hare Krishna.